Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something really special for you. The best Netgear router available in the market, the Netgear Nighthawk Wi-Fi 6 router. Let's dive right in and explore what makes this router a top choice for fast, reliable, and secure home networking. First off, let's talk about the design. The RAX43 comes in a sleek and modern design that will blend seamlessly with any home decor. It's compact and has subtle LED indicators that maintain a low profile while adding a touch of sophistication. Now, let's get into the performance. The RAX43 is powered by Wi-Fi 6 technology, which means you can enjoy blazing Wi-Fi speeds of up to 4.2 gigabits per second. That's a significant improvement, making it perfect for uninterrupted streaming, gaming, and web conferencing. One of the standout features of this router is its connectivity options. It's equipped with 4 x1G Ethernet ports, allowing you to plug in your computers, game consoles, streaming players, and more. It also has a 1x3.0 USB port, enabling you to share a storage drive with any connected device and create a personal cloud storage accessible from anywhere. Coverage is crucial, and the RAX43 doesn't disappoint. It can cover up to 2,500 square feet, making it suitable for larger homes or multi-story setups. Plus, it can handle up to 25 smart home devices simultaneously, ensuring everyone in your household stays connected without compromise. Now, let's talk about security. The Netgear Armor feature provides advanced cyber threat protection for your home network and connected devices. It's like having a shield of security across all your devices. And the best part? It comes with a 30-day free trial. For parents out there, the RAX43 has you covered with Netgear's smart parental controls. It promotes healthy internet habits, fosters responsibility, and builds trust with your kids. And yes, you guessed it, it also comes with a 30-day free trial. Setting up and managing this router is a breeze thanks to the Nighthawk app. You can easily configure your router, run an internet speed test, have remote access to your network, and even pause the internet for specific devices when needed. Now, let's take a quick look at how the RAX43 compares to other models in the Netgear Nighthawk lineup. As you can see, the RAX43 offers impressive performance with its AX4200 Wi-Fi 6 and 5 stream technology. It's a great choice for those looking for fast speeds, wide coverage, and robust security features. Before we wrap things up, let's take a moment to see what customers are saying about the RAX43. With a 4.4-star rating and over 7,500 reviews, it's clear that customers are loving this router. It's reliable, fast, and provides excellent coverage. In conclusion, the Netgear Nighthawk Wi-Fi 6 router is a powerhouse when it comes to delivering high-speed, reliable, and secure wireless connectivity. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for top-tier performance, this router is worth the investment. That's it for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.